Mindduck is a platform that allows you to discover and create visual mind maps to explore and structure ideas naturally. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. On the platform, they actually have two types of large language models. They've got one for discovery and one for research. Today, I'm going to go over the one for discovery. I might do the one for, discovery and creation. I might do the one for creation tomorrow. But today, I'm going to check out the one for discovery. And as you can see, you've also got a pro function here, which allows you to unlock advanced capabilities. So you essentially get 5 pro requests a day. I've already used up one today. I'm going to use another one, though. So the prompt I'm going to give is going to be: conduct some research and help me discover what are the latest trending aspects of video creators and educational content creators on YouTube who are in the AI space. Okay, so not the best prompt. I'm just riffing off the top here, but let's see what we get. Okay, we've got this interesting animation and cool. We've got a mind map created. Looks like there's still some other aspects being generated as well. Cool. So we've got trending aspects for AI focused video and educational YouTube creators. So we've got integration of AI tools and content creation. Of course, I've been doing that with HeyGen. And we've got focus on practical AI tutorials and applications, use of shorts and short form content for engagement. That makes sense. That's something I might actually begin implementing. And as you can see very quickly, this mind map is getting quite big. Let's go down a random path. So let's go with focus on practical AI tutorials and applications. We're going to go into, let's go into strategies for engaging educational AI content on YouTube. So we've got clear, approachable explanations, enhanced viewer comprehension, short form content increases visibility and attracts new audiences. That's actually a great idea because I usually, even on this channel, I get like more views on shorts than on my long form video content. So perhaps I need to start implementing a short form strategy so that I can actually increase the reach of this channel. Cool. And those are things I can sort of systemize and implement and put in place.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So yeah, this is quite a useful tool. I would definitely recommend it. It seems like it's very quick and it actually provides value. Here we've got AI video editors automate complex editing tasks for creators. Definitely something I do. Features include auto cropping, reframing, and silence removal. Nice, I like that. Okay, cool. So yeah, we've also got some detail here on the right. The sidebar's opened up with a few different sources, and we've actually got a sort of textual output here, creating practical AI tutorials for YouTube content creators. We've got popular AI tutorial topics and tools, and a conclusion as well. Amazing stuff. And we've also got some follow-up prompts too. So yeah, this is definitely a great platform. You can take a look at the sources on their own if we wish to do so. You've got some YouTube videos there. And yeah, this is something that I think, yeah, can provide a whole lot of value to anyone who's actually who actually knows how to use it. But as you can see, it's very simple to use. So yeah, definitely check this out. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.